Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. We are going to go over the Cyber Monday mystery, which I'm filming this early, but it was available Monday, Cyber Monday, and it was available for $34.95. And I am really excited to show you this year's Cyber Monday mystery. Our Cyber Monday mystery is very similar to our monthly mystery, like the ultimate kit. So you get the ultimate like kit format, a full foil bundle, and then with the Cyber Monday mystery, there is also two other items. Well, at least this year, there's two other items, a sticker sheet and then a lifestyle accessory, both collabs with two of my favorite shops. So let's go ahead and get into it. So this, I don't know if there's any more available as far as this video goes, but I will leave information down below if we haven't had any extras to sell afterwards a la carte. But yeah, I'll let y'all know in the description down below. So let's go ahead and get into it. So again, this is exclusive art. You won't find it anywhere else. And I wanted to do a really pretty general travel theme that was kind of like mountains and city based. And I thought this was really, really fun. I love the colors and the fashion options in this kit. I just think it's beautiful. And I love this scene with like the private jet, and it's just super fun for like any travel week, but also could be like leading up to the travel week, or if you just wanted to use it anytime. It's super cute and I'm obsessed with it. I think it's so pretty. You have your extra full box here with the tall fashion option, who's in the coziest little outfit, and I love these colors together. I think they are so pretty, especially with the blue. Oh, it's just so nice. You have your glitter headers, your half boxes, your labels, your pattern labels, and then your bottom washi, which is a cloud pattern. I think a really pretty like travel quote would go awesome there. You have your extra color, which is green, two extra fashion options there. And you have the two scenes, which also look really cute with a quote or by themselves, because I think that they're like beautifully drawn. And then you have two extra boxes here of the super cute like feet with the little like travel bag, and then the flat lay of the like journal, which is super cute, and the little plain windows like picture. I just love this kit so much, and it makes me want to travel. I think I'd probably use this like if I was going to Vancouver or something to visit Mark from OnceMoreWithLove. I think that'd be really, really cute, but it works really well for like anywhere because it is very neutral. So I love that. So that is the ultimate kit. Then the foil bundle is the gold twinkle, which is really nice because you can use it with this kit or you can use it with another kit. There's nothing specific about it that you have to use them together, but I also think that this would look really pretty with silver, matte bronze, lavender hollow, regular hollow, sparkly hollow, rose even would be really pretty with this. Those would be my top. Basically all of them. I think it's one of those kits that could go with any foil, but I thought gold was my favorite match. So you have the gold twinkle. So you have the two pages here with the full boxes and the headers, the two bougie box pages, the scripts and the icons, the fancy headers, the deco, the date numbers, and then the bottom washi overlays. So that is the foil bundle that came with the kit. And then there is a sticker sheet here. This is the OnceMoreWithLove travel sheet, and it is recolored to match the set perfectly. So you have all of the colors that are in the kit in here, and this is on our glossy paper, so it's going to be a very seamless look, and I just love this all together. It just is a vibe. And then last but not least, we also have the lifestyle accessory, which is a collab with Kane at PrintPression, and it is a passport cover, which goes perfectly with this theme. So you use it as a passport cover, or you could even put, you know, your sticker sheets or whatever you want to do in there. And then your freebies on the side. I don't have any freebies near me, but if I did, you could put them in there as well. So that is the lifestyle accessory and the OnceMoreWithLove sheet. So that is the Cyber Monday mystery for 2021. I hope that y'all like it. I am so excited to use this. Hopefully this year, that'd be awesome. Let me know if you have any travel plans for 2022 where you would use this for, and I will talk to y'all in my next video. Bye.